Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for factorizing quadratic where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So we got the area of rectangle. So the area of rectangle is here area equal to wide b multiplied with the length. Okay, the area we got 3x squared minus 11x minus 4. Then the wide is x minus 4, while the length is we don't know. So to find it, this is pretty easy. You can just divide it, or if you want, you can make it factorizing again. So 3x minus 11x minus 4 is a, b, and c. We need to find the product of ac, which is minus 12. And the sum of b is minus 11. So we got these two numbers. So minus 12 and 1. So we'll write it into the table. Here the x squared minus 4. Here is minus 12x and 1. Gonna be x minus 4. And here is gonna be 3x with 1. Okay, we got x minus 4 here. So the length equal to 3x plus 1 centimeter. Next B, a triangle has a base of 2x plus 6. Calculate the perpendicular height if triangle has, okay. This is the triangle, so number 3, here's number 4. So triangle area is area, base, we multiply it with height, then we divide it by 2. Okay, the area we got is 3x squared plus 8x is 3. The base is 2x plus 6. Then the height we don't know yet. Then we divide it by 2. Okay, first let us factorize it. So we got 3x squared plus 8x minus 3. So this is a, b, and c. We need to find the product of ac, which is minus 9. The sum of b, which is 8. So we got here is 9 and minus 1. So you write it into the table. Three x squared minus 3, and here is 9 and minus 1x. Yeah, minus 3 and 9. Okay, so here is gonna be minus 1, 3x. Here is okay 3, and not 3 is only x. Here is minus 3. Okay, here x minus 3 and 3x. Here let's get it up divided by 2. So we can factorize it, x plus 3 So you get rid of divided by 2 and height. So you got the factor is x plus 3 here. And one more is 3x minus 1. Okay, so we got it. So the height equal to 3x minus 1 centimeter. Okay, there it is. Thank you.